Hello, it's Cody3751. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I got an interesting video for you today. As you saw in the title, this is for 10 center beams and 3 other cars. I will tell you about those later, but anyway, so first things first, we're gonna open this let's see if I can find it first. I'll tell you what, we're gonna go right to the title and I'll be right back. Anyway, let's get this going. Let's open this box. As always, get the proper tools. This is probably the biggest pair of scissors I've ever seen. It's made by a company called Wiss, and this one was secondhand, but I think it's like 40 years old, but it still works very nicely. So let's go ahead and open it, shall we? I don't know why they use blue tape. It's just weird. Oh, yeah. We got blow wrap. Alright. Get this open. Already see some cards in there. Look at that. There they are. Center beams. Alright. So let's just take stock what we got here. Anyway, here's the first one. This is a... I'm not sure what road number this is. This is a CNA center beam car. It's got the loads already on it, so this has been used before. And it's got Katy high shell couplers on it. Pretty nice, if you ask me. Got the screws on both ends, so it holds it in place. So I don't have to take the whole bottom off, which is nice. And it's got Katy's, so I don't have to change the couplers this time. Would have changed from before, that's for sure. Alright, here's the second one. This is a TTX. Trailer train, TTX brother. It's got that. This has got Willamette Industries load on there. This the other one, I can't remember what that says. Views, never heard of them. Another one. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, that's the problem right there. That one came off. The coupler snaps in two. Unfortunately, I may have to replace the coupler on that one end there. Fortunately, it's going to be pretty easy for me to do. I'll show you how to do it in a separate video. Got Slogan Group. That's two TTX cars down. Let's take the rest of this stuff out. Throw it aside. I don't want to take any more out until I know for sure it got empty. Here's another one. This has got... Can't read that. High Cascade Lumber. This is, let's see if I can move my hands a little bit. It's a BN, Burns Northern. Exactly what I'm looking for. There's another one. Same thing, Willamette Industries. BN. Another one. This is a neat car. I think this one is the Callus and Columbia car. This is also Slogan Industries. A lot of Slogans in here, isn't it? There's another one. God's Power Creek, I guess. Also CLC, as you can see on that recording mark. So that's Callus and Columbia. There's another Callus and Columbia car. Show you that. Right there. And this has got Pope and Talbot. How about that? Pretty much in my era right there. It's got Crown Pacific. This is a BCIT BC rail car. Exactly what I was looking for. Here's the final BN car. That's the last car of this whole stack of lumber We got Louisiana Pacific. That's interesting. I've never seen those before. Alright, so now for the boxcars. We're going to get to them. They're very special boxcars. They're high cube. So this is an Athearn Blue box model. Very nice. It's got Katy couplers on it, which I was told, as I suspected, it does have Katy couplers. So this is the Santa Fe stock control 40-foot high cube boxcar. You got another one, possibly right here. Actually, no, this is Union Pacific 40-foot high cube boxcar automated railway. And the last car, guys. This is another high cube. Not to be expected. It's another high cube. Let's get this off. Turn it right side up. This is the other car. Louisville, Nashville, 50-foot high cube boxcar. So you might be wondering why I got these cars. It's because I have a number of cars on my layout, but I don't have very many center beams or high cube boxcars for that matter. So this is just a nice little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye for now.